Let's make some bacon and eggs pie. I like to use Tenderflake ready-to-bake shells, but you can use your own dough for this recipe. Preheat your frying pan, add chopped bacon and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add onions. I used green onions, but you can use regular onion as well. Cook for another minute. Beat eggs in a bowl, add warm milk, drained onions and bacon, salt, pepper, mustard, and parsley. Pour your mixture into the shell. Cook in preheated oven 35 to 40 minutes.